Hello, welcome to another tutorial with Aaron. Today we're going to learn Excess Love Remix by Mercy Chinwo and Hairston. I'm going to be playing in a key of B. Alright, so these are the chords you should know for this song. And you're going to be playing your B added 9. That's chord 1. Or my Do chord. You should know your chord 4, which is my Fa. You should know your 5th chord, which is my So. I can play like this or this way. It's just an extension of this one. Right. And then you should know your 6th chord, which is your La. And then I could use this as a passing chord before I move to the chord 4. This chord 3 in a scale of B. Alright, so with the introduction, you'll be playing a I didn't show you chord 2. This chord 2. Now you can play like this, alright, or this way. So you love me too much. 3, 4, 5, 6, 5. So again, 4, 5, 6, 6, 5. Or Fa, chord 1, or Do. Your love is sweet. Chord 5. You fill my heart. 4. Then you come back to 1. With so much peace and joy. That's chord 5. You're amazing. 4. Back to 1. You made my life feel brand new. That's 5. All your promises are yes. Chord 4. Da, 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 da. Back to 1. Jesus, your love is too much. Now from here, from 4, you move to 6. Too much excess love. Now instead of playing my chord 5, I'm playing a suspended. Instead of this, I'm playing a suspended by introducing the chord 1 here. So it's like this. Jesus, your love is too much, too much, too much excess love. Jesus, your love is too much, too much excess love. So basically that's the whole song. This whole song revolves around 1, 4, 1, 5. And then where they sing Jesus, your love is too much, you 1, 4, 6, 5. And even where they sing like technicalities, your love is the man, your love is the man, your love is the man, your love is the man. All of them, it still revolves around 1, 4, 1, you could play your 5 this way, you're suspended. You could play your 1 this way, or anyhow you choose to play your 1 chord will be up to you. But these are the chords that I used. Alright, now if you have a full band that will play the intro, they play the progression is a 6 4 1 5, then a 3 5 1. So something like that. So for the intro it's a 6 4 1 5 3 5 1. Alright, so thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to share, like, and then subscribe to my channel.